Hey everyone, welcome back. Did you know an app you deleted months ago could still be connected to your Google Drive? And depending on the permission you gave it, that app could still have access to some of your Google data. The worst part is, most people don't even know these permissions exist because they approve them with a single tap while signing in. Today I'm going to show you a hidden Google setting that every Android user should check. It only takes a minute and you might find all apps or games that are still connected to your account. Let's check yours. Open Settings, scroll down and tap Google. Now tap your Gmail. Tap Manage your Google account. Go to the Data and Privacy tab. Scroll all the way down until you find third-party apps and services. Tap it. Now tap Access. Here you will see 4 categories, but our main concern is Drive, so tap it. This page shows every app that has some type of access related to your Google Drive. Now here is the important part. Don't remove every app just because it appears here. Instead, tap one of the apps. Here, tap See Details. This tells you exactly what that app is allowed to do. If you see a permission that says See, create, and delete its own configuration data in your Google Drive, don't panic. That only means the app can manage its own backup or settings stored in a private area of your Google Drive. It cannot open your personal photos, documents, or other files. But if you find an app that's allowed to view, copy, edit, or delete your Drive files more broadly, then ask yourself one question. Do I still use this app? If the answer is yes and the permission makes sense, then you can keep it connected. Like I do, I'm not gonna remove permission for this app because I have given permission and I'm currently using it. But if it's an old game you deleted months ago, an app you don't recognize, or something you no longer trust, then tap Remove All Access. This instantly stops that app from accessing your Google account in the future. Now here is one more important thing you should know. Removing access doesn't delete your account from that app, and it doesn't erase any information the app may already have on its own servers. If you want to completely disconnect from their service, you should also open the app or visit its website and delete your account there if you no longer use it. Now I'm curious about you. Open the Drive Access page and count how many apps are connected to your account. In my case, I have only 3 apps connected. Then tell me the number in the comments. If this video really helped you, like the video and subscribe for more privacy and security tips. Thanks for watching.